In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, ever merciful. Dear students, we are going to do worksheet number 5, articles, grammar help. A is used before words beginning with a consonant sound, a car, a bird, a university. N is used before words beginning with a vowel sound, an umbrella, an hour. The is the definite article. It indicates that the noun refers to someone or something in particular. Where is the cat? We are going to the beach. No article is used when we talk about something in general. Diving can be difficult, or when we talk about cities, countries, streets, etc. e.g., we visited Italy. Choose the correct article for each sentence. Sentence number 1. I want to buy blank laptop computer next week. I want to buy a laptop computer next week. Can you please go to blank grocery store on 5th Street and buy 2 cartons of milk? Can you please go to the grocery store on 5th Street and buy 2 cartons of milk? The third point is I like to watch tennis on television. It is blank very good game. It is a very good game. Fourth point, my brother won an award for being blank best speller in our school. My brother won an award for being the best speller in our school. I haven't seen him in blank 5 years. I haven't seen him in 5 years. No article is used in the blank. How much will it cost to go on blank holiday to Bali? How much will it cost to go on? No article will use holiday to Bali. Can you please help me pick out blank birthday present for my father? Can you please help me pick out a birthday present for my father? I can't live on blank $500 a month. I can't live on. No article will use $500 a month. Blank President of the United States will be visiting Australia next week. The President of the United States will be visiting Australia next week. Los Angeles has blank ideal climate. Los Angeles has an ideal climate.